What's going on, everyone? Here in the 8 Mile Parts Galore, got a 1991 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo. It's black with a dark gray interior here, and it's got my favorite part. It's got a Vic, so sweet. I'm gonna buy that. Got a good cluster on it. I actually looked at this car recently. I was gonna buy it from them, but the car had way too much body damage on it to be even remotely worth it. It's got a good front end. I'm gonna take that as well. And yeah, should be a good haul. Might actually even take one of these just to have it realistically. Yeah, should be pretty good. Car had blown. Let me see if I can open this real quick. Ooh, nice. It had a blown head gasket on it. So not worth it. Car did start up though. Started and ran. Yeah. Thing's beat. This thing was really beat. That wasn't there before. I don't know what happened to that. Mirror got all scuffed up and broken. This is why I didn't buy this car. For the rear of this car. See, it's been pushed in quite a bit there. When you close the trunk, then you truly see how much the body line's off. Someone did a ton of body work to this thing, but they didn't put the rear end correctly. That's probably a, I don't know, good 2 inches off of the main body line, because you can see here it lines up perfectly. So that's crazy. Yeah, Trofeo's, it's fallen. This thing got messed up. I wonder, does it have a, yeah, it has a fuel tank release. It still, does it work? Yeah, it works. Cool, I'll probably take that too. It's got a nice steering wheel. Darn shame. But I'm going to take the pieces off of it. If anyone needs seats, this car's got it. So, yeah. I guess that's the end of this Trofeo and its life. Man, I think I hurt real bad.